Hey there, today I would like to show you a program I've been working on for the past 4 weeks. It's my very own password management program. I call it PassVault. Now, I recently found out on the Google Play Store that there's an app also called PassVault, and just a little disclaimer, I have no affiliations with them at all. So, yeah. Now I created this program in Visual Studio using C#. I will be releasing this code in my Github account, and the link will be in the description. The program will be protected with a GNU GPL version 3.0 open source license. Now, the reason why I wanted to make this program is to have a secure offline storage of my personal account information, and I know that there are plenty of programs out there already, but I just want to make my own, and hey, I wanted to apply my C# programming language knowledge. So yeah. So as you can see right here, I clicked the sign up form, and I'll just make a new account. So I'll call it YouTube2. Email, I'll give it example@gmail.com. And then just copy, and then paste it. Give it a username of YouTube. Since I have an account already called YouTube, so I'll just call it that. So I'll call it 123 for the password, 123 for the password, and 123 is my password. Okay, just for example purposes, and obviously it's not a good idea to do 123 as the password after all, you know. So table name is going to be the name of the table that will store all the information. So I'll call it my demo table. Note that there are a few bugs that I still have to work out in this program, so yeah. And here it shows the confirmation. Now in Visual Studio, it's kind of tricky to edit panels when they're all on top of each other, so that's why I have the two panels here separated from each other. So this is what you would normally see on top of the previous window after you sign up. And then this is the YouTube username, and then password is 123. Login, and then yeah. Now I'm using a dual monitor display setup, so yeah, some of the windows might pop up in my primary display, which is on my laptop's screen. I'm recording on my 24-inch monitor, so yeah. Label is, let's say I want to store my Yahoo account here, so Yahoo account, and then I'll abbreviate it, you know. Let's say my account is like let's say example is my username, and then password is ABCD, and then notes could be like security questions or whatever things you use to sign up that you want to like remind yourself of. So let's say the security questions answer was, I don't know, Toyota, and then add account. Now like I said, there are a few bugs, but rest assured it is added in. So YouTube, and then 123 login, and bam, it shows it up on the first entry. Now there are some issues with the delete button, but it will work. So let me add a few more example entries. So 6, okay, now if we hit delete, it'll delete a row. So the bug here is that it won't delete the row that I selected, but I'm still working on that. Like I said, there are a few bugs roaming about here and there, so yeah. Now I could even copy things, so I'll hit copy, and then I'll just open a notepad. So okay, so I'll copy that, and then I'll paste it in. Now I'll copy a row, copy, paste it in, copy multiple rows. Okay, hit copy. Now new line, Control V. Okay, and there, and then I also included an export to Excel spreadsheet feature, so it exports all those information to an Excel spreadsheet. Nice and organized, as you can see. You can pause the video to match the information to confirm that it does work. And then, don't save, okay. So, yeah. And there's preferences. Again, same idea, you know, the panels will be on top of each other once I fix the issues. Now, as you can see, there's an online storage mode. I'm going to release that as a future update, but for now, it's just offline for everything. So yeah. So we exit it. Okay, now let's see. Oh yeah, by the way, the information being stored into the offline databases are encrypted in 256-bit using AES 256. So it's very secure. So yeah. So I've also included a forgot password form, so it could send the password login info to your email in case you ever forget it. And here's the captcha code to prevent spamming. And then I also included a special feature which I call an override mode. Now this will only activate if you hit a special shortcut and provided you place the correct file in the correct file directory in your computer. Now in this case, it detects this file which I made to be the override account information, the username and password, and then yeah. Now I could enter in the info and it will override it. And I could see all the user accounts for the password. And then now it's loading. Okay. Now, as you can see, I've made 5 accounts so far, and the 5th one, which is the most recent one I just made, shows up. So there's the name, the email, the username, password reminder, and the table name. Now, as you can see, there is a little flaw there. It just takes the username and password of this file, but I plan to encrypt the information first, and then when you override it, it will only accept the unencrypted info, and then it'll compare the encrypted info. So yeah, but that's for a future update. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. Please like, rate, subscribe.